Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today, I know my book's kind of wet, but this is what I'm using to do this. I'm going to be showing you how to make clay, like hard clay. I'll show you an example in a second of my clay into a soft, semi fluffy slime. The ingredients, one of the ingredients, which I'll tell you when I tell the ingredients, I did not add to this slime. I'm going to add a little to the slime and see if it works, but it's shaving cream. I only added the ingredient, which I'll show you in a minute, into this slime and clay, duh. So, I'm going to show you. What are you doing?
I'm laying in my room.
You can go somewhere else. I'm doing something.
Oh.
Well, sorry. So, it turns into like that if you do it right. So, let's move on into the video. So, let me grab a container. Let's put this in for now. So we're just going to put it in my container, put it to the side. So, your ingredients you will need is, kind of falling. Your clay, which I'm going to do black. Oh, you can't see it. Black. So I'm going to show you what my slime or my clay looks like before I add anything to it. I got it under my nails. Okay, finally, I got it open. Okay, so this is what it looks like and feels like before you add. It's really hard and not stretchy at all. So this is what it looks like before you add either your ingredients. This is what it should look like after, just not red. Since I'm using black, it's gonna look black, or like gray, because I'm adding something that's white. Okay, so put it back in the container. So what you're gonna need is your clay, a cup, and lotion. So I'm not gonna show you the brand of lotion I'm using. So yeah, you just take your lotion, put it in a cup, then just drop your clay in there, and then you take it out and mix it. It's kind of messy, so you can see kind gets push it on your whatever your surface you're using, unless it's a carpet. I would not do that. So mine's kind of getting like not hard. So it's not ending up looking like this one. This one's like softer, not hurting my hands. And then this one is it's like butter, like dried out butter slime. So I'm gonna wash. You can wipe off your hands. That's what I'm doing. Then you can get water and add it to your lotion. I'm gonna do that. Add a tiny bit of water into my lotion. Take a straw and mix it. see what I'm mixing the water and lotion in. Add a little bit more water into the lotion mixture. Okay. Now we just take it, pop it in there, take our straw, mix it a little, move that, and grab it out. Now we put our lotion and water mixture to the side and mix. The only reason I wipe my hands is because I don't like stuff like that on my hands, like wet. So now it's just turning into somewhat like the slime texture, as you can see. So I'm just mixing and mixing and mixing, and then it turns into this kind of stretchy slime. So I'm gonna take that. Now I'm gonna wipe off my hands, so I don't think I'm gonna add any more lotion, at least right now. Okay. Oh my god, the clay came out. So yeah, it does not feel soft like this one is, but at least it works. Like it works somewhat. So yeah, that's how you make slime out of clay. Bye!